Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will create this interesting shape, step by step, using CATIA V5 Part Design tools. Let's start and learn together.
I was dreaming in my sleep, now wide awake. With CATIA by my side, there's no mistake. Always had a wish to create and design. Now I'm building futures one line at a time. Could sketch a ship or design a plane. With CATIA, every dream I can sustain. Stay with me, I'll show you how it's done. Our journey to the stars has just begun. Dreams with CATIA come alive, stay tuned. In a world of possibilities, our talents bloomed. From the sketch pad to reality, watch us soar. With every click and curve, we crave for more. From the smallest bolt to towering steel, with CATIA, our thoughts become real. Together we'll create wonders to see. In this world of design, just you and me. Step aside now, let's make way. With CATIA, we'll change the day. Innovation's heartbeat here.
Hello friends. Today I have selected this shape for you. The shape is very simple and it can also be complicated. I will show you a practical point in this shape. As usual, first we will review the shape. At the lowest part, we can see a flat surface with a rounded edge on one side. At a distance of 30 mm from it, there is a surface with a groove. At a height of 80 mm, we can also see a circular surface. From the circular surface to the second surface, some cascade-shaped connections are created. I place the coordinate center exactly at the center of the upper circle and on the horizontal plane. I show it to you with the mouse. I also show you the horizontal and vertical axes. The main subject is to create the connection from the upper circle, bring them to the middle surface and create the grooves on the middle surface. Also, there is a practical point in the bottom fillet of these connections. To prevent the shape from becoming crowded, I will draw the middle surface first. I create a plane at a distance of 30 mm from the XY plane. I enter the sketcher environment with this plane. I draw a circle with the center at the origin of coordinates. I set the radius of the circle to 75 mm. Now I draw a vertical line with enough length. I make the line tangent to the circle. I delete the extra part of the vertical line. The length of the vertical line is 105 mm. I create the mirror of it. I connect the ends of the two vertical lines with a horizontal line. I delete the extra part of the circle. The reason why I drew the line vertically and deleted its upper part was because of the shape shown in the drawing. I returned to the part design environment. Using the path tool, I increased its height upward by 10 millimeters. Based on picture, the plate's corners are rounded. The amount of radius is 40 millimeters. I will round them with Fillet tool. I compare the model with the drawing. I enter the sketcher environment using the YZ plane. I rotate the shape in a space to check if I am exactly on the correct plane or not. If it is not correct, I click on the normal view tool. I will show it to you. Now using the profile tool, I draw a shape with 3 lines. I define the dimensions and positions of the lines. I create 2 arcs with a radius of 15 millimeters on it. I will offset it with the offset tool. First I select the whole shape, then I activate the tool. The offset amount is 10. Now I close the beginning and the end with 2 lines to create a closed shape. I return to the part design environment. I activate the shape command. I select the sketch. I consider the z-axis as the rotation axis. I click on OK. Our first raw and initial shape is created. Now I want to remove some parts of this created shape and the bottom surface. First, I create a plane parallel to the XY plane at a distance of 80 millimeters. I enter the sketcher environment with this plane. I create a circle with a radius of 15 mm at the coordinate center. I draw another circle at the coordinate center with a radius of 65 mm. Now I draw the required lines. By using the horizontal and vertical lines passing through the coordinate center, I create a two-side offset with a distance of 5 mm. I complete the dimensioning of the other lines. Now I delete the extra parts. Do this carefully. I apply all necessary dimensions and constraints again. Now our sketch is fully constrained. I create the fillets and arcs on the shape. I activate the sketch analysis tool. I make unwanted elements, construction geometry, or deleted them. I return to the part design environment. I activate the pocket tool. I create the pocket downward with enough depth. I click on OK. Now look at the shape. You can see that there is an unwanted part in the lower area. First, I enter the sketcher environment with this surface. I activate the Cut Part tool. I activate the Project tool. I click on the desired surface. I click on OK. I return to the part design environment. I want to remove this part using the pocket tool. I activate the tool. I set the pocket value. I click on OK. Now I rotate the shape. You can see that there is a protrusion under it. We need to remove them. There is a simple solution to solve this problem. First, I will delete the pocket. I double-click on the sketch related to path 1. The sketch of the surface opens. I create an offset from the shape using the offset command. I set the offset value to 10. I draw a horizontal line parallel to the lower edge. I consider the distance between the line and the lower edge as 70 millimeters. I delete the extra parts. I return to the part design environment. I let the update operation finish completely. I check the part from the bottom side. The problem is solved in 3 areas, but from one side the unwanted edge still remains. I activate the sketch again. I change the value of 70. Look, half of the width of the base shape is 35 millimeters. The fillet value is also 15 millimeters. The total value becomes 50 millimeters. If we subtract this value from 105, we get 55 millimeters. So I need to change the value of 70 to 55. I do this. I return to the part design environment. You can see that the problem in this area is also solved. Now I complete the bottom surface and the remaining parts. I check it from different views and compare it with the drawing. Very good. This exercise is finished here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the lesson carefully. Then try to draw it from your own memory. Good luck. Goodbye until the next lesson.
Let's build the future. Come